Hi guys, how are you doing today? Welcome to this video. This video will be about shapes and how to utilize them to draw anything. You can draw anything with these three shapes. So let's start with a triangle, and then the second one would be a circle, and then the third one would be a square. So with these three shapes, you're able to draw whatever you want, and I'll show you some examples in this video. Alright, let's start off with drawing a face or like a character. We'll start with a circle, and as I move on with this video, I'll show you which shape I'm using for every part of this drawing. Okay, so moving forward, I won't label the shapes anymore. I want you to guess which shape I'm using and follow through if you can on a piece of paper. And if you want, you can leave a comment and tell me exactly what shapes I used in all these different drawings that you can see.
Party, who it up, she baby. I won't tell nobody. 내가 널 지켜줄게 however you want it, my dear. Do you want to party? Who it up, she baby. I won't tell nobody. 내가 널 지켜줄게 however you want it, my dear.